If you live in Obetz, Ohio, and you're thinking about downsizing at some point in the near future, or if you have a house in Obetz, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it because you're downsizing, this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been working with people in Obetz and working with home sellers and residents in Obetz and buying houses in Obetz, Ohio. And the reason people love working with us is we're going to keep it very easy for you, and we're going to be very fair. So if you're downsizing, we get people all the time calling us. We have these conversations frequently. It's a very common reason to sell, and we understand you're not trying to give the house away. This isn't a fire sale. You're not desperate. We're not going to approach this or treat it that way. We understand you want something fair and convenient and easy, and that's exactly what we do here at Sell House Columbus, because we're an as-is buyer. So what that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything or haul anything away before the closing, or we don't need any repair credits. It's not like a traditional buyer. So if you compare us to a traditional buyer may be somebody who's working with a realtor. And if they're working with a realtor, you're going to pay them commissions. There's going to be added closing costs and loan fees. They're going to want you to contribute to pay for their loan fees, mortgage broker fees, and then they're going to need a formal appraisal, and they're going to need formal inspections. Next thing you know, you got 100 people walking through the house. It could get complicated. We are the opposite. We're a cash buyer, and that means there's no approvals needed whatsoever. So we could close when you want to. If you need speed and you want something to happen quickly, we can make it happen because there's no bank approval. There's no application process by any means. If you need more flexibility because you need assistance in locating your new place, maybe you're moving somewhere that just is less maintenance and upkeep, perfect. We could actually help you find a new place too, which we've done. We could actually help you arrange movers, anything that you need. We're here to accommodate your needs, keep it easy, keep it fair, and we've worked with hundreds and hundreds of people in and around Obetz, Ohio, and we would be grateful for the opportunity to work with you. We know we can keep this thing easy, simple, and fair for you. So when you call us at 614-300-5151, or you visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com, the conversation is very simple. There's no added pressure. We're going to make you a cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and we'll make it happen for you. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We can shake hands and part as friends, and we're not going to leave a bad taste in your mouth and have sales tactics and gimmicks and scripts and hound you down. And this isn't a used car dealership by any means. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what we are. I live very close to Obetz, and we've worked with hundreds of people in the area. We're here in the area, and we're going to treat you fair like a neighbor. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I very much look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.